Hello, hi everyone. Today we are going to learn Uggani, a evening time snack with puffed rice. So, what are the items required for this are puffed rice, required amount, and onion, mirchi, and curry leaf, and also little soaking of tamarind and the popu or the mixture, or we call it as a tadka. So now, firstly, we have to take this puffed rice and mix with water, and you have to um, separate it outside. So just add it into the water and then remove, and we'll get the. So now soaked puffed rice is ready. So we have to uh, boil the oil with tadka and all. First, let me put some oil and prepare tadka. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and add all the tadka and let fry it. So let it fry for some 5 minutes. Now add the mirchi into this. And we'll add some curry leaf and just stir it. Now we will add lastly all the chopped onions and let it fry for 5 minutes. So we'll add the little amount of turmeric powder. It is good for bacteria, antibacterial. In this corona time it is very nice. Once these onions are cooked, so we have to add the soaked tamarind, and we crush the juice from the tamarind and just we have to add it in this mixture. And let it boil for some few minutes. Now also we can add the half teaspoon of salt as per your taste. And it has to boil, and once it is boiled we can add the puffed rice into this. So you can see that sound that the liquid is boiling, so we have to add we will add this puffed rice into this mixture. We'll just add it. So just stir it up and down and then mix it properly. Once everything is done, our Uggani is ready. It's ready to eat. So it's just very fast and ready to easy. Just like 5 to 10 minutes is required to prepare this. Thanks for watching.